Yes, Sundar and Param, it's a good talking with you. Uh, do you remember when we were recording this whole testimonial sessions with our clients? And for me, it's a very nostalgic moment when client comes back to you and tells you, "Oh man, we love the team you have. They do take care of that." So I always get that whole emotional thing that when client says me something like this, and I said, okay, this is our core value, and glad that now that core value has got transferred to client. Do you remember that we have one of the core values called customer delight and customer loyalty, right? Do you remember that one?
Yeah, exactly. So when I joined Archly, I was given that document to go through the core values and vision and all those things. So that time I read that and I was not sure how we are going to implement that or how these things are being implemented in Archly. So down the line, after 4 years now, when we are talking to our clients, we are doing this video testimonial series, Customer Speaks. So when they talk about those values, and I'm surprised, like I read this around 4 years ago, and I was not sure how we are going to implement that into the company. And now that has been implemented, and customer are advocating those values. They're saying exactly the same thing. Like this is the best thing about Archly. That's why we are with Archly. That is a proud moment.
Yeah. So for the core values, those are inherited in our blood, and we are stick to it because we know that if we follow these core values, we will only then get a success.
That's true. Exactly. So how exactly it is all that I remember somebody asked me what is the importance of a client? I said, you are my CEO of a company. You can even control me, forget about everybody, right? And he was so happy. He says, wow, that looks impressive.
Yeah.
Right, that really looks impressive. So we are their partners, not only vendors.
Yeah. Right.
We interlink with each other.
That's right. Our whole line which says me that Archly is the most trusted partner for providing parsing, matching, and data enrichment to global recruiting industry. Right. That partner word is exactly this way, that I'm partner of yours, not a vendor.
So we have that flexibility that we can do to achieve customers' goal. We can change the system as per their requirement. So we can customize the things according to them.
Sometimes we even go out of the box to provide them solutions.
Right.
Like sometimes they bring template special resumes to us and said that your service is not able to parse them properly. Then we retune our algos according to their need and then back that algo to them and we satisfy them.
Awesome. And this is all possible because we have another core value that we hire leaders and visionary people, right?
Archly provides the ecosystem from where leaders born, and we provide all the facilities. We push them to their limits. We throw challenges on them, and the employees have actually happily accepted it. And actually, it's become their habit to work in challenging environment.
I completely agree with this Vinay's statement, the core value of hiring leaders and visionary people. So Archly give an environment where people can learn, grow, and excel. So this is very true to me, and I'm sure with every team member of Archly. So when I joined Archly, I was told okay, you know this one skill, so we'll give you these 9 new skills that you can implement to grow your team, to grow the company, to grow yourself. And that is very true till now. So definitely I'm doing around 8-10 duties. So I was just expert in one thing, and 9 things I have learned while working with Archly.
I recall when I joined as a trainee, and with me there were 9 trainees or more, and everyone has assigned their roles. But I was very pissed off because I didn't give role to do. And after a few days, you called me and you said that I have a dream project. I want you to work in that. And that project is Archly Resume Parser. And you show faith in me. And now we are here. At present, we are delivering this product globally. We are supporting multilingual. We also implemented new technology in this, like deep learning, neural network, and natural language processing. All because of your faith you showed in us. We deliver this.
That's absolutely true. It is all team which build it up because team is also creative and innovative. That's our core value number 3, that I'm a firm believer that we can use technologies to solve a problem in an innovative way.
Right.
Right? I'm sure you have seen a lot of technologies we use in the outside world, where maybe in a development, maybe in a sales, maybe in a marketing, maybe in accounting. So I want to be no. Let us use the best technology. Let us use the best innovative use of that, so that it can solve my current needs and even the future needs.
Right.
And I remember last week when Gurucharan was planning a Kanban board for Gold Team specifically, the way he presented almost all the stages and all the flow, I was shocked. I said, wow, I never thought of that simple Kanban board can solve this whole issue. For me, it was a complete process concern. And he solved it like this. I said, wow, that's 2 hours of a person. We call it innovation. That is we call it creativity. Right, Inder?
Yeah. Because innovation is a backbone of growth. And we need many leaders in an organization who are visionaries, who can think beyond present, who can think about future, and who will bring some innovative things to company and added values to it.
And as Vinay said, future ready things. So we are doing same thing for our clients. So we are building the products which are future ready. Right? So whatever the client they can expect in coming couple of years, 2 years, 3 years down the line. So we are creating those kind of products, and same thing we are doing for our internal team also. So whatever the CRM or the tools that we are using future ready tools.
Exactly. It's not only technology wise we are innovative and creative, we are also personal relation wise also. We're very innovative. We have a full respect to everybody. Maybe it is starting from Gopalji as an office boy, or Vinay as a CEO, or Param as a head, and Inder as a product lead. We have respect for all stuff.
This is our actually strength. We always cooperate each other. We always stand with each other. Not even we celebrate good things, and we also share bad things. And we have never die spirit in our team. We keep on doing good work. We keep on challenging our limits. We keep on support each other. We are here for everyone, and we are like a family.
We celebrate everyone's success and accomplishments in both professional and personal way. And the best thing is that we respect the differences also. Every team member is a different, he or she has different traits. So we respect those also. So that is a good sign of this family culture in a company.
And that is what I'll always believe in, that leads to call empowerment. And once person is empowered, and we felt he has a full accountability and responsibility is also there. And that's why we said, when I remember a few months back when we were talking to one of the lead, and he said me that he wants to add a new language, and everybody given it, like he said, you have a 30 days, can you do it? Add a new language. And we sit together and we all said, okay, yes, we can do it. And we actually did it, right? It is like he was shocked. He says, I never expected that in 30 days you can change this whole architecture in such a way.
Yeah, actually the whole scenario is converted into war room. Everyone is working on achieving that single target. We as a team, we not thinking about anything else, but we are thinking only about that target which we have to achieve in this particular time. We were acting like Arjun, aiming on the fish eyes.
Yeah, so the same thing, that we honor commitments and ensure they are met. So we have given the commitment to our customers, and full team was trying their level best to meet that commitment.
That's right. And also I believe that is the one core value which comes to me, is always say transparency between my words, actions and thoughts. So what I'm thinking, what I'm speaking and what I'm doing, it has to in sync. It cannot be I'm thinking something else, tell Inder something else, Param something else, and do something else.
Yeah, because we are working on the same goal. If we are not thinking about the same thing, we are doing something else, we can't achieve that goal. For that, we have to sync with each other. We have to think one thing. We have keep in our mind that we have to achieve this goal. This is our target. And somebody create hindrance, then the whole system will be affected. and our flywheel will definitely stop rotating.
That's true. Recently, when we got a lot of enterprise customers as a sign up with us, so normally people get arrogant, they get proud into that. And but with Archely, I find it out. Everybody was, I always say, be nimble and be humble. And it is a natural tendency here that everybody is humble and everybody is polite and no arrogance here. That is the only reason that we are all still united. People love us, and that go on, right, Param? We always strive for the best and successful.
Yeah, definitely. That's why we support each other, because the success is not of one person, it is of the team, it is of the company.
That's right. Wonderful. Thank you very much, man. Love you guys and love you everybody. Love my core values too. And everybody loves his core values.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr.